Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the NFM token. Name of the token is Nfmart and the ticker symbol is NFM, and this token just got a very big central exchange listing starting today, July 22nd, and we're going to go over the information on the NFM token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token just got a very big central exchange listing starting today, July 22nd at 11 a.m. UTC time, which has already passed. This token was listed on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search NFM, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So if you're looking for this token, you can find it on Etherscan. This is an ERC20 token. They have 18 decimal places on this token. There's 6,515 holders so far, and they have a max total supply of 10 billion tokens. Now, they have a Telegram you could follow that has 55,314 members. So that is a lot of members. That's a great place to talk to other community members about the project at NFM Official on Telegram. 378 of them are online. And as usual, I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here that has 154,700 Twitter followers at Nfmart Official, 72 tweets, has a link to their webpage and their Telegram right there on the Twitter. It's going to give you all the links you need. And when you go to their webpage, you can also find a full 16-page white paper. So NFM is the future of NFT platforms, allowing anyone to build and customize their own NFT marketplaces without writing code. As the NFT market transforms and integrates further into mainstream industries like gaming and entertainment, Nfmart will be the foundational tool that unlocks broad adoption by the general public. Nfmart makes the creation and ownership of diverse custom-built NFT marketplaces accessible to anyone. With Nfmart, anyone can design and build their own NFT marketplace tailored to their unique NFT content or type of community. In a landscape where collectors are as unique and varied as the NFT contents they seek, now anyone can use Nfmart to create a platform and brand that serves these unique needs. What distinguishes Nfmart in the marketplace is an emphasis on usability and approachability in order to encourage adoption by the broad-stream market. Besides eliminating the need to code, Nfmart takes usability a step further with the integration of artificial intelligence for assistance and design and copywriting. Generative AI can assist users with developing marketplace designs, branding, and copywriting. In addition, generative AI can be used to create the NFTs themselves, as AI art is establishing itself as a legitimate medium of artistic expression. In contrast, what naysayers believe, AI is poised to enhance human creativity through collaboration between human code humans and code rather than replace it. A native token, the NFM token, allows for decentralized governance and incentivizes positive behaviors that keep the platform fair and efficient and rewards participation by users. NFM tokens offer multifunctional utility within the platform, facilitating payments, unlocking premium features and discounts, incentivizing participation, enabling governance, and supporting community development. Their extensive use in various aspects of the platform ensures that they provide real value and utility, distinguishing them from speculative assets. This comprehensive token economy aims to enhance user engagement, support creators, and drive the overall growth and success of the Nfmart ecosystem. So to ease, this is for NFT entrepreneurs, to ease the learning curve for new users who want to participate in creation, purchases, and sale of NFTs, but do not have technical know-how or financial resources to hire a development team and create their own platform. These users can now build their own NFT marketplace according to their unique vision and the market that they want to serve. And for brands, to give global brands, individual creators and influencers, and artists the opportunity to further their brands and create new revenue streams by selling their content as NFTs instead of listing on someone else's marketplace. And playing by the rules, they can take ownership of every detail such as branding, design, financials, and selling mechanics of the NFTs that they sell. And for the NFT industry, as more options enter the marketplace, customers can ultimately, the industry as a whole will win rather than pigeonholing all NFT content into selling on a select few one-size-fits-all platforms. Creators will now have the ability to meet the unique needs of their target audiences and sell their NFTs as how they see fit. So besides all that, you can read more in their gigantic their gigantic white paper here. They have, they should have a roadmap on here. It looks like they're going to have staking coming in the future. So there's governance as well. So the token can be used, it says here, for discounted fees, subscription payments, incentives for participation, user engagement, governance, voting rights, proposal systems, market transactions, staking and rewards, loyalty programs, access to premium features like AI, exclusive tools, customization options, marketing and promotion, advertising credits, campaigns, grants and funding, etc. So yeah, go check this token out. Let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.